One 60 by 89 centimeter sheet makes 315 tags. You will need one sheet of acid-free stock paper, a paper cutter, a cutting mat, a pencil, a box cutter, a straight edge, a roll of tape, undyed string, a hole puncher, our custom template, and custom 18 centimeter long string cutter. Using the 1.5 centimeter mark at the bottom of the template, mark lines at the bottom of the sheet. Use your straight edge and box cutter to cut this portion off. Discard this strip. Find the X side of the custom template. Use this side to make 6.5 centimeter marks along the top, middle, and bottom of the sheet. Use your box cutter and straight edge to cut long 6.5 centimeter wide strips from the sheet. Layer the strips. Use the Y side of the template to mark 2.5 centimeter spaces. Use the marks to line up the paper on the paper cutter. Make sure that the top of the strips are against the straight top part of the cutter. Make sure you know where your hole puncher punches hole in the paper. Layer 4 or more tags together to create holes. Periodically, it will get stuck, and you will have to clean out the discarded paper. Our custom string cutter is 18 centimeters long and made from the cardboard, tape, and a box cutter blade. The roll of string does not unwind easily when on the desk, so put it down low on the floor where the string can easily be pulled up. Behind a desk and through a hole makes this easiest. Thread the punch tags through the string. This will make it faster to cut string. Secure the custom thread cutter to the table. Place the threaded tags in something heavy like a roll of tape so that they do not move around. Pick up one tag and run the string around the 18 centimeter cardboard length before cutting it. Tie the knot in a loop instead of a shoelace tie because this makes it easier to undo if necessary.